Hi guys, so in this video I am going to show you high speed Jio APN settings. So using these settings you can increase the internet speed. So open settings app, tap on the settings icon, then tap on SIM card and mobile data, then tap on Jio SIM, this is SIM 1, then tap on access point name. So here you can see the default access point. If you tap on this, you can see the default access point settings. So I am not going to use these settings. Let me go back. I am going to create a new access point, new APN. Here you can see plus symbol. Tap on this plus. Then I am going to fill all these fields. Name, first name. So name, you can give any name. Let me give Jio Network 1, then APN. So this APN should be GeoNet. Okay, then we need to fill this server field. Tap on server, then here we need to type www.google.com. then go down. So we don't need to fill MCC and MNC, so it will get automatically populated. Then authentication type, tap on authentication type. Here we need to select this PAP or CHAP. Then APN type, we can type default here, tap on OK. Then APN protocol IPv4 or IPv6, APN roaming protocol also same IPv4 or IPv6. Then the barrier, so this should be here, we should select LT. We can select multiple options, you can try it, but LT is enough for Jio. Then go back. Then operator type, here we need to select none. So after that we need to save it. So here you can see the save, tap on save. See, now I have created one APN. If you want to switch or change the APN, you can tap on the APN. Here you can see the radio button, tap on that. See, now I have changed to Jio Network 1 APN. If you want to change back, tap here. So this way we can switch. So when you switch, here you can see this LTE symbol change, that because it's reconnect. When you switch the APN, it's reconnect. See. So if your internet connection speed is very low, that time you can change the APN like this. You can just switch the APN and you will get high speed internet. So this is a one setting. So let me create one more APN. Again tap on this plus. I am going to create one more. Let me give Jio name, you can give any name. Okay, then APN, this should be GeoNet. Server, here I am going to type www.jio.com. Then authentication type PAP or CHAP. APN type, here we need to type default. APN protocol IPv4 or IPv6, APN roaming protocol IPv4 or v6. Then BR, this should be LTE. Then go back. So then we need to save it, tap on save. So now you can see two new APNs here. So whenever you face low internet speed, that time you can change the APN and you can try it. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe my channel, please like and share the video. You can also try it and you can comment the result in the comment section. So if you want to delete it, you can just tap on one of the APN, and here you can see the delete APN option. Tap on that and delete. So this way we can delete it.